Good day. We turn to a unique and forward-looking constitutional provision, Article 2, Section 8 of 1987 Constitution, which declares the Philippines, consistent with the national interest, adopts and pursues a policy of freedom from nuclear weapons in its territory. This provision embodies the Philippines' commitment to peace, sovereignty, and people-centered security. The framers included this policy for three reasons. First, security. Hosting nuclear weapons would make the Philippines a potential target in conflicts. Second, safety. The mere presence of nuclear weapons threatens human life due to the possibility of catastrophic accidents. Third, sovereignty. Storing nuclear arms of foreign powers undermine our independence by tying our policies to their military strategies. Hence, Section 8 enshrines peace and safety as constitutional priorities. The prohibition is broad. It covers possession, control, manufacture, and testing of nuclear weapons. This means no state, foreign or domestic, may legally keep or develop nuclear arms within Philippine territory. Importantly, the provision does not forbid peaceful use of nuclear energy. Nuclear technology may be used for power generation, medical treatment, or scientific research, provided it does not endanger public safety. Thus, the Constitution draws a clear line between weapons of mass destruction and peaceful technology. Section 8 must be understood in its historical context. During the Cold War between US and USSR, there was widespread suspicion that US bases in Clark and Shubik housed nuclear weapons. This fear energized the anti-bases movement of the 1980s, which called for national sovereignty and nuclear disarmament. In 1991, the Philippine Senate rejected the proposed extension of the US Bases Treaty, a landmark decision consistent with nuclear-free principle. Thus, Section 8 was both a symbolic assertion of sovereignty and a practical safeguard against nuclear threats. The Philippines' constitutional policy aligns with international law. As a party to the Non-Proliferation Treaty, the Philippines committed to preventing the spread of nuclear weapons. By signing the Bangkok Treaty of 1995, we joined ASEAN's vision of Southeast Asian nuclear weapon-free zone. Furthermore, UN resolutions on disarmament reinforce our constitutional stance. Section 8 thus elevates disarmament from a foreign policy choice to a constitutional mandate. In Akbayan versus Aquino, 2014 case, petitioners argued that U.S. forces under the Visiting Forces Agreement or VFA might bring nuclear weapons into Philippine territory, violating Section 8. The Supreme Court, however, upheld the VFA, stressing that there was no evidence of nuclear weapons presence. The court also noted that the VFA itself requires both parties to respect Philippine laws, including the constitutional prohibition. This shows that the policy's enforcement depends heavily on executive monitoring and political will. The constitutional text qualifies the policy by consistent with national interests. This means while nuclear weapons are absolutely banned, the Philippines may pursue peaceful nuclear applications such as energy, medicine, and agriculture so long as they serve the people's welfare. The guiding principle is balance, no compromise on safety and sovereignty, but openness to legitimate scientific uses of nuclear technology. To conclude, the Philippines' policy of freedom from nuclear weapons reflect a constitutional choice for peace, safety, and sovereignty over nuclear deterrence. It prohibits nuclear arms in all forms but allows peaceful nuclear energy rooted in the Cold War experience and strengthened by international treaties. It affirms the Philippines' role as a peace-oriented state. Ultimately, this provision ensures that our people, not nuclear weapons, remain at the center of national security policy. Thank you.